What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, we got a crazy week upon us, and it kicks off on Tuesday with the CPI report, guys. And this upcoming report has the chance to derail some of the momentum in the stock market, depending on how it's received by Wall Street. Okay, so listen, I need you guys to be locked, loaded, and ready to go, meaning you are prepared for whatever may come. That's what today's video will be about, kind of letting you guys know both to the upside and the downside levels you might want to look out for. Okay, listen guys, I'm the type of investor slash trader. I take what the market gives. I don't try to front run. I don't try to say the market's going to crash, the market's going to do this, the market's going to, nope. The chart, and that's where the money is at for me, tells me everything that I need to know. However, when you have reports such as the CPI report, such as the things that are market moving, guys, it can invalidate what the chart is saying in that moment. Okay, so that's why this week is so important. That's why you must watch this video by Tuesday, so that you can see these levels that I'm calling out now, because you want to know, at least if we have some volatility, whether to the upside or downside, you are aware of where stocks are actually trying to go. Okay, with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay guys, I have the SPY pulled up here right now. It is currently sitting at 408.18 as we sit in after hours in preparation for Monday. So by all accounts, guys, we don't know what will happen, okay, this week on CPI report, any of that. However, around here, we react to what we see. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is provide the information. I'm gonna provide the facts, guys, and you go out and make your decisions based on that. Okay, don't try to front run, don't try to get cute. Guys, this is a wicked game, okay? Meaning Wall Street don't play fair, and Tuesday it will be a day that they do something that tries to wreck retail, and that's why I'm bringing this up, okay? Check this out. We're sitting at 408.18. On the week, we were, I would call this flat, okay? Down $1, if you will. But what I wanted to bring your eyes to is some levels that I want you guys to be on the lookout for. Off top, guys, check this out right here. I want you all to kind of spot this level back here on January 30th. This is around 463. Okay, the 400 level will be a level that, believe it or not, guys, even from here will be in play. So meaning a $8-10 move to the downside, as well as a $8-10 move to the upside is in play, and you need to be aware of that. You need to prepare for that. Okay, I'm starting with the lower end because you still have many economic factors that can drive the market to the downside, despite this little rally we've been on, okay, to kick off 2023. So with that being said, even a pullback from here, which would in some cases still be deemed as healthy, it will still land us around that 397 400 range. That was a level that we had to clear previously, even to get into the 400s. Okay, so we get back to that level, that is still decent in terms of more upward momentum possible in the future. Okay, but again, a lot of factors has to work in our favor for the momentum to continue upward. However, guys, around here we make more money in both directions, and so with that being said, if the market wants to crash, sell off harder, go down further, we will be ready for that as well. And that's what this video was all about today, making sure that you guys are aware that you have a big catalyst coming out, and it can, if it don't take us higher, it can push us down back under or around 400. Okay, and you need to still make money when that happens. All right, with that being said, check this out. To the upside, I would love to see a test of this 418 417 level. Okay, we got rejected pretty hard, pretty significantly off of 414 last week. Okay, and that showed me that's where supply is at. As soon as it got there, boom, it came down. Okay, and so again, the range I'm looking for to the upside will be 415, and to the downside around that 400 level. Look at that move, okay? Because you guys will have opportunity in that, and we will have opportunity But listen, the opportunity lies in us planning and making money in both directions, okay? So please put that on your radar. You guys can take it to the charts and the candlesticks to kind of see how it all plays out. Definitely look at your 1 week chart. Definitely look at your 1 day chart to make sure you're aligning things we're talking about so that you know how these plays manifest and how we are consistent with hitting them off the park, okay? With that being said, guys, again, many things are on the horizon. You got jobless claims report that's going to come up. You guys got a lot of news this week, and so we could be up on Monday and we crash on Tuesday, okay? We could be trading sideways up until Thursday, and then that initial jobless claims report come out, and then we're making another significant move. However, guys, we're going to be whipsawed back and forth for, in my estimation, the remainder of this week and next week, okay? Because again, the market right now is uncertain about which direction it wants to head, okay? And so you can sit on the sideline, you can be more calculated, you can play one direction. You have options, okay? You're not forced to do anything, but this market really requires you to be locked in and reacting to what you see, okay? Also, that leads me to my next point. One thing that I want to make sure we discuss is not getting overly greedy in these conditions, okay? Meaning keeping your position sizes small if you're going to trade, looking for opportunities if you're going to invest. Listen, guys, you're going to have a chance to make some money. That's not a thing, all right? But what you want to do is make sure you're not getting anxious, you're not front running situations and thinking, oh, we're about to go up, or I know we're going to continue higher, or I know we're going to go down. No, guys, you want to react, because if you're on the wrong side of the trade, not only can you wipe your account out, guys, you can set yourself back mentally, emotionally, and then you got to build your confidence back up time and time again, and that could become demoralizing, okay? And so what I want you guys to do is make sure that you are not only managing your risk, but making sure you're not going too heavy, okay? Sometimes you need to ease into things that if you're not fully sure what's going on, meaning you don't want to go all in and head a CPI thinking it's going to go one direction or the other. You want to kind of see, you can even let the dust settle. I love to just react after everything pans out, let them make their moves and make the market gyrate all over the place, and then I come in and then we cutting it up and we're surgical with it, okay? Because sometimes, like right now, this particular instance, the data is conflicting, the market is manipulated, and so with that being said, guys, we have no way of clearly knowing, okay, if it come in hot, this will happen. If it come in cold, this will happen. Right now, we just simply don't know. Okay, so this one is more tricky than previous ones, because at least you know if we came in hot, that might create this type of setup. However, this time around, guys, I'm cautioning you early. You have to brace yourself and be ready. Okay, expect the worst, but prepare for the best, okay? And that's all I can really say when it comes to this. All right, so with that being said, guys, also I want to make sure, if you haven't already, consider joining us for the weekly options this week. Also, get in the Discord. Regardless if you join the weekly options or not, get in the Discord, because we will be trying to guide you all through this volatility if we can. And if we can't, guys, we're going to simply tell you, sit this one out until we got clarity. Sit it out, and then we'll go back and assess where the opportunities are based on where the stocks fall or land after the CPI report, okay? Because again, everything is level to level, and once the levels are reached, whether to the upside or downside, then we can come in with a game plan and know how to properly go about it, okay? With that being said, guys, please be on the lookout for the insanity that's coming this upcoming week. Please make sure you are prepared to take advantage of moves you see, okay? I still want you guys looking for high probability setups, high quality trade setups, patterns that you might see, whether you see a double bottom emerging, whether you see a bear flag or a bull flag. I want you to be looking for those things, because those things leads to success and they increase your win rate. However, you just playing any move in the market and you're not letting setups actually set themselves up for you, and you're not letting the chart kind of let a play emerge, guys, you're gonna set yourself up for an unnecessary loss that you don't have to take in this game. Okay, it's already difficult enough. If you can do anything to help simplify it, make it less complicated, that's the stuff I want you guys doing this particular week. Okay, we'll continue to manage our risks, we'll continue to take high quality trade setups, and I'll continue to serve you guys some bangers to make sure you guys make some money this week. Listen guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.